Indian author and activist Arundhati Roy has announced she is withdrawing from the Berlin International Film Festival, saying she is protesting what she called unconscionable statements made by members of the festival's jury about Israel's war on Gaza. Writing in India's publication The Wire, Roy said she was shocked by recent remarks suggesting that art should remain separate from politics. She described those comments as jaw-dropping and said they amounted to shutting down discussion of what she called a crime against humanity happening in real time. Roy said artists, writers and filmmakers should be doing everything possible to stop the war. She also stated clearly that what is happening in Gaza, in her words, a genocide of the Palestinian people by the state of Israel, and accused governments including the United States and Germany of being complicit through support and funding. The controversy erupted during a panel launching the festival when a journalist asked jury members about Germany's backing of Israel and what was described as selective concern over human rights. The festival's jury chair, acclaimed German director Wim Wenders, responded by saying filmmakers should stay out of politics. He argued cinema should act as a counterweight to politics, not enter the political field directly. Another jury member, Polish producer Ewa Puszczanka, said it was unfair to expect filmmakers to be responsible for government policies, adding there are many other conflicts where atrocities are committed but receive less attention. Roy had been due to attend the festival after her 1989 film, in which Annie Gives It Those Ones were selected for screening in the classic section. Her withdrawal comes amid wider criticism of Germany's stance on Gaza and growing concern among international artists about restrictions on pro-Palestinian expression. Last year, more than 500 cultural workers called for the boycott of German-funded cultural institutions, accusing them of suppressing solidarity with Palestinians. Roy's decision is now adding fresh pressure on one of the world's most prominent film festivals, as debates intensify over whether art can truly be separated from politics during times of war.